In front of me is Motorola Razr 60 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on the microphone icon at the top right corner. Then hit while using the app in the pop-up and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. To stop, you can pause or click on the same microphone. You can also click on this little icon right next to your microphone when voice typing is on. Hit next. Tap on done and operate it from this strip. You can hold it and move it around. Now, to delete your text on the go, you can click on this button with an X. To access keyboard settings, tap on those three lines on the left, and to go back to standard keyboard, this keyboard icon. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!